Stag is a global brand. So my grandfather started in 1922. So we are a 102 years old company into sports. I'm the third generation. The fourth generation is already there. So we are a multi-sport brand, but we are known for table tennis around the world more because we all are table tennis players. And I played for India. I was captain of the Indian team. So the brand is global now. You can find a Stag table in 214 countries, and we sponsor 62 national teams with the largest share of national teams in the world. So that's our USP, and the products are made in India. In Olympics, they were using Stag clothing in table tennis, so that's also a good factor for us. If the pitch is not good, the cricketer cannot do anything. So in table tennis, the table is the pitch. So if that is not good, then you can't play table tennis well. So for top players, it is very necessary because the ball travels very fast. The distance is 2.74 meters. So the distance it travels, so you have to be like split second decision to change, and that's the most important thing, that people have reflexes. If the product is not good, they cannot play, they cannot perform. So we target to have 100 national teams, and today we have 62, and we want to be a global player in multi-sport. So recently we bought a brand, Masita, which is a soccer brand. So in soccer also we are going to grow. So that's the plan for the future, that we have more national teams in soccer. We have about 150 clubs in Europe in soccer. So the brand expansion and make India proud. So I believe in made in India more than make in India. I think passion is the driver for the brand. So that's the key crux, that we are passionate. So that's why we are growing as well.
We told you a lot about Stag Global, but hey, this doesn't end here.
Hi Arjun.
Hello.
So you are so busy, right?
Little
With
bit.
Stag products.
Yes.
So tell me one thing.
Yes.
Why Stag is different from another brands?
Because we pride ourselves in providing extremely premium quality, and we don't like doing easy things.
Okay.
And we don't enter the market at just the entry price points. So we make things that are sturdy, that last generally over a decade. And we have, I just had a customer right now telling me कि मेरे पास आपका कैरम 12 साल से है. So that is like good feedback for me. Because if a carom board lasts 12 years in a school,
Right.
it's got to be of good quality.
So you are a sportsman also.
Yes.
कैसे देखते हैं आप स्टैग को कि जब वो ग्रो कर रहा है, मार्केट उसकी बढ़ रही है और ग्लोबल मार्केट बन चुका है, how you feel?
I feel tremendously proud. I feel amazing. And as a sports person, I've represented my state, my country. So it's a matter of pride also for me. Plus, it's a bit of a passion project. Because I have grown up seeing my father do this.
Right.
So it was always like I knew this was my calling, let's say. तो मेरे को था कि ये करना ही है. So then now that I'm finally getting to do it, it's like being a grown-up child in a toy store or something like that. That is the factory for me.
Okay.
So I keep on innovating. कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग चलता रहता है. Keep on creating new things and try and make it to the best of our ability, basically.
Cool. So among all the products, which one is your favorite and why?
This one, we're standing right next
Okay,
to it.
this-
This is my recent innovation. Basically, if you look at it from here, it looks like a dining table. So that is the objective behind it.
Okay.
Right now, we've removed the other half.
Okay.
What it means is we have another half like this.
Uh-huh.
So you cover it, it becomes like a conference table or a dining table in an office, in a recreational room.
Okay.
And then once we remove it, then you can play pool. And then there is another use case which, if you pan the camera there,
Okay.
if I flip this,
Uh-huh.
this thing, then it becomes like a table tennis table.
Okay.
So then it becomes like a 3-in-1. I think a little better to understand. So this is a pool table. You can cover it up. It becomes a dining table or a conference table.
Okay.
And then once you flip it, we give all the accessories included. And this is a table tennis table.
Okay. So it's a
this is-
multitasker product,
Yes.
right?
Because it's a space saver. Because someone will only have place for one conference table, but you get 3 out of that. So
Okay.
this is one innovation. Then another one, if I have to tell you, is this. This seems the same, but this is made of metal completely.
Okay.
And it's been a little scratched because we've been displaying for 3 days.
Okay.
But this is completely outdoor. So we've supplied some to Mauritius.
Okay.
last 2 months ago basically, and this is basically completely weatherproof. So any rain, dust, storm doesn't matter. It was started by Arjun Das Kohli, and my name is Arjun Kohli.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
so my father was really close to my great grandfather, so he named me after him.
So अर्जुन कोहली
yes.
इस ब्रांड को कहाँ तक पहुँचाना चाहते हैं? What is the motive?
To be honest, if I set a limit, then I would tell you, but I don't know myself. I am just focused and accelerating. I don't know. Sky is the limit. I don't know.
I know. And because you are a sportsman also, so you understand the need of the sportsman, right?
Yes, of course.
So, what is your passion apart from this?
Personally, I was captain of the UP team. I represented the country in table tennis. I've played probably more than 20 nationals. So that is where my passion was for the first, let's say, 20 years of my life. Then I started focusing more, never on studies actually, but then on work. So then after, let's say for the past 5 years, it's been work. I started work when in 2019, then COVID hit, but I've been working ever since. And table tennis was my first passion, and then now I work in it, so it's even better for me.
Any specific reason to choose table tennis?
You'll have to ask my father and my forefather why they chose the sport. See, I have grown up in it.
Okay.
So for me, it wasn't a choice, and it's not like I feel like it's
Pressure.
No, it's not for me because I grew up in it.
Right.
So it was always there. So it's a part of my life. It's not like I chose table tennis. It was the other way around.
Right.
So
right.
table tennis kind of chose me. See, my father met my mother at a table tennis tournament. So I am a product of table tennis myself.
Wow.
So I wouldn't be here if there was no table tennis. So then, of course, it's very close to our hearts,
Okay.
as you can see, obviously.
Yeah. So thank you so much and all the best for your future,
Thank you,
Arjun
definitely.
Kohli.